In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Spotify membership. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Spotify. Make sure that you're signed in to your account. And here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. And here, go ahead and click on Upgrade to Premium. And this will take you into a new page. Click on View All Plans to view all the available plans on Spotify. And here, you can differentiate the differences between the three available plans. Click the button for the plan that you've selected. And in here, go ahead and select your payment method. If you pay through GCash, you'll get redirected to the GCash app. And if you pay through Shopee Pay, you'll get redirected to the Shopee Pay page to confirm your purchase. You can also pay by mobile. Now, once you're done selecting your payment method, go ahead and confirm your payment for the plan that you've chosen, and your account will be upgraded from free plan to premium plan.